Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal inaugurated the 10,000-bed Sardar Patel COVID Care Center, the largest of its kind in the world, at the Radha Swami Satsang Bias in Delhi today. The center has been set up in Chhatrapur for treating mild and asymptomatic coronavirus patients, a media report said. It will also serve as a treatment center for those who are asymptomatic but cannot afford home isolation. The center is 1,700 feet long, 700 feet wide, roughly the size of 20 football fields, and has 200 enclosures with 50 beds each. Manipur registered 9 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. This takes the total tally to 1,325 in the state. The number of active cases now stands at 658, while 667 individuals have recovered from the disease till now. In the past 24 hours, 28 patients were also discharged from COVID care centers across the state after they tested COVID-19 negative. Assam's overall COVID-19 tally increased to 11,001, while a total of 416 other patients who were earlier infected by the virus were discharged from various hospitals across the state during the past 24 hours. A 65-year-old woman fell into a public pond and drowned at Lalambu Makong Pukri Mapal, Noksagum Laikai in Imphal West this morning. The deceased was identified as Thangzam Ongbi Memcha Devi, wife of T.S. Brojen of Lalambu Makong Pukri Mapal. A fire service team fished out the body from the pond, the report said. Mami TV, a local news television channel, was officially launched today during a simple function at the channel office at Konumamang in Imphal. The TV channel aims at giving a big platform to artists besides promoting the rich art and culture of Manipur. Congress legislator K.S. Joy Kishan today announced that all individuals above 70 years of age in Thammayiban constituency will be given help amid the COVID-19 lockdown. He said this during a program organized by Takdo at a community hall at Khoyatong Pukri Achoba for Imphal West, where Moniputari Act were extended to senior citizens of the constituency. In connection with the 71st Ban Mahotsav, saplings were planted in and around the sacred shrine of Nongpok Chingkhai Apanba at Khurai in Imphal East today. Khurai Vision organized the program under the guidance of former additional chief engineer cum social worker Khagokpam Khamba. The World Health Organization has urged countries hit by serious COVID-19 outbreaks to wake up to the realities on the ground instead of bickering and to take control as global coronavirus cases exceeded 11 million. A day after scientists and consultants raised severe issues over Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) letter to all 12 principal investigators to hurry up the trial technique of Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine and allow it to be launched for public health use latest by August 15. The nodal company issued a clarification saying that the letter was made solely to cut unnecessary red tape and speed up recruitment of participants. Experts worldwide have been saying that it will take at least 12 to 18 months to launch a vaccine for COVID-19.